Morning guys, September 10th, 2020. So there I got a call to go replace a kitchen faucet at a little office area, little insurance company office. So we'll go over there and give it the old, how you doing? Give it the old replacement. We'll give it the old, how you doing, mama? Replace that faucet. We got another one here. Tape. This is all busted. Pull all this stuff out of here so I can fit in here, I guess. At least this side. Empty. Someone's hitting the bottle. Somebody's hitting the bottle. Might not be so bad to change this thing. Maybe, hopefully. Yeehaw! It looks like he's got a pro vent up there. Pull a basin wrench. Yeah, supplies don't look bad, surprisingly. I don't know if you can even see, but maybe not. Crazy. Flipping nuts. When in doubt, rip it out. When in doubt, we rip it out. Hey. You can see, I don't know if you can see or not. Good enough for this neighborhood. Yeehaw! With a cast iron sink. a sprayer. And it just clips in. It just clips in the bottom, looks like. Ain't that fancy? Fancy schmancy. Should be a clip on there. I don't see the clip. Just pops in like that. That's odd. The flipping weirdest thing I've ever seen. Wouldn't doubt it though. I was reinventing the wheel on this shit. Crazy. She's a crazy one. It's gonna fit barely. Yeehaw! Never put putty under this thing because you'll never get it. You'll never get it tight. You'll never get it tight, or you'll never get it off again. I never use putty. That's a little tech tip. Don't use putty, you don't need it. People use putty, they don't know what they're doing. Stuck on stupid. Just have to put the nuts under there and tighten the nuts up, and there should be a key for this, but I don't see it. There should be a I don't see a key. Oh, here it is. There's blowing the key. That's for the aerator. For the aerator, I'm gonna have to tell them to save that. When in doubt, we rip it out. Oh, that's gonna want to work. That's just get popped on there, I guess. We got a live one. We got a live one. Yeah, we got a live one here. We'll try reusing these shutoffs. Try reusing these supplies. Seeing the guy's tighter than 2 coats of paint. Maybe. Yeehaw! Did I get you? I missed you. See if it leaks. Yeah, looks good. Turn the water on. I got you. I got you. Neighborhood. This key's for this. Yeah. I should probably give this to the girl. Oh, it's not gonna fit on there. Leave that behind. Alright, so I taped it right there under the sink on the drain. I told the lady about it, so they don't lose it. I have some in the truck. I have different sizes in the truck. But sometimes you need that particular thing to take that aerator out. Reinvent the wheel. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Oh, I know you did. Yeah. I know you missed me. You miss me? All right, push over.